Hey class, this is number 51, the last one for this section of homework. The scores on a high school senior's ACT college entrance exam in 2003 were roughly normal with a mean of 20.8 and a standard deviation of 4.8. In this problem, we are going to find what the approximate probability that a single student randomly chosen from all those taking the test scores a 25.6 or higher. Part B, we're going to take a simple random sample of 9 students who took the test. What are the mean and standard deviation of the sample mean score x bar of these 9 students? Part C, what is the approximate probability that the mean score x bar of these 9 students is 25.6 or higher? Like number 49, the book has a much better display than I can draw. So let's take a look at this nice normal curve that we have here with 20.8 as the mean. You can see how it depicts the 68, 95, 99.7 rule here. 1 standard deviation away from the mean, 2 standard deviations away from the mean, and then 3 standard deviations away from the mean. In part A, we want to find 25.6 standard deviation away above the mean is 1 time. The probability of that is about 0.16. Now, how did we get that? 1 standard deviation away from the mean is 68%. So I have to take my 100% and subtract 68%. That'll leave me with 32%. But that isn't just this side, that is also this side. So what I have to do is divide that in half so that I can see what just this side would be, so I can look at how many students would score above the 25.6%. And when I divide it by 2, I get 16%. Part B. We know the mean is 20.8. The standard deviation, if we take our sample of 9, would be our standard deviation 4.8 over the square root of 9, which is 3. That's 1.6, smaller than our original standard deviation. Part C. Part C, we want to find out if we have this new standard deviation, how far we have to go above the standard deviations, or how many standard deviations, we need to go so that we can get above 25.6. Well, in our last problem, we had 25.6 was only 1 standard deviation away from the mean. So that wasn't so bad. But now in our new standard deviation of 1.6, we have to have at least 3 standard deviations above. 3 standard deviations above would be 99.7 of the people. If I subtract that from 100%, I get 0.3. But again, that's not just one side, that's both sides. So what I have to do now is I have to divide that by 2, and that's how I will get 0.0015 probability. Well, that's the last one for this homework. So if you have any other questions, I'll see you Tuesday.